The never-ending joys of RVing. I am locked out, he's locked in. You can see where we've already dinged the door up trying to open it. There's an RV mechanic down that way, but he's not going to be home for half an hour. So here we sit. I managed to climb out of the emergency window in order to go get the neighbor first and then to go down and try for the RV mechanic. I'm not sure I could climb back in. Wolf can't get out at all with his back surgery. Kind of makes me wonder what would happen if there was ever a fire, how we'd handle that. But I just went down and checked on the RV mechanic again. He's still not home. It's boiling hot out here, but evening's coming and the mosquitoes are coming out. I hope he gets home soon. So far, this half an hour has taken about an hour and a half. Wolf passed me the dog through the window so I could take him for a walk, and he very graciously gave me the garbage through the same window. I'd like our RV mechanic to show up. Hey, guy's here. He is up. He went through the emergency window exit, and he's going to see what he can do from the inside, because nothing can be done from the outside.
I think one of the screw brackets is right up here. You can see it itself standing. See that window, you can't get it on anything. Start breaking pieces off of it.
Yeah, that's what I intend to do.
This is the crappy little piece of pot metal that broke.
You got them with you? Like right some. Real pressure. This amount.
Our new temporary locking system. The outside lock for while we head to the RV store. Here's how these go in. There's 4 screws here. There's 2 screws here. Here's that piece that broke on us. And that's all there is to it.